my life in a day where I don't have classes. So I only have classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays, if you don't know. And today is Monday, so I'm just gonna kind of vlog as showing you how I get ready for like a week of classes. So for instance, right now I'm heading to Trader Joe's, so I'm in Winter Park. So if it's shaky, I'm sorry. There's like cobblestone and like tracks and a whole bunch of stuff. So it's a little bumpy over here. So yeah, I'm just heading now. God, no one knows how to drive here. I'm heading now to Trader Joe's, gonna do some grocery shopping, and I'll show you what I get. And then after, I think I'm just gonna do some like planning and some light studying. And then I think I might go work out, but I'm honestly not sure. I literally hurt my knee so badly last night. Like, I just fell on it, and I'm in so much pain today. I took an ibuprofen, and I don't know. Like, I don't know if it was just stiff for me sleeping on it, like that made it worse, or if I really did something wrong. So I don't know if I'm gonna do F45 because it's a lot of jumping and a lot of lunges, and I don't want to make it worse. I just kind of want to let it heal, and then maybe if I'm feeling better, I'll go tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys later after I go shopping at Trader Joe's, and I'll show you what I got.
People acting. People acting. People acting.
Alright, the first thing I got is two things of spicy hummus because I love this. But I just realized it expires in 5 days, so I literally need to eat both of these containers in 5 days. So yeah, anyways, I got two of these, and this is the only hummus I like, so I had to stock up on that. It's a good snack. Then I got two things of organic firm tofu. If you saw my last vlog, I meal prep tofu. I do it with like taco seasoning and a skillet. I can insert a clip over here. So I just basically brown the tofu, like I kind of almost would burn it, and I crumble it very fine, and then I just kind of get all the water out of it, and then I sprinkle the taco seasoning on top, and then I mix it in with black beans, and then I have like a high protein vegetarian meal, which I eat over rice with some salsa, avocado, and some tortilla chips. And for those bowls, I actually got butter lettuce. I wanted romaine, but they didn't have romaine, so butter lettuce is the next best thing. I just put it on top for some crunch. And next I got a spaghetti squash. I've never had spaghetti squash before, but I wanted to try it because my best friend Natalie, she made it and it looked amazing. She actually has a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna link her channel down below so you guys can check her out. Ooh, you see how heavy that was? But anyway. Next I got a thing of strawberries. I love strawberries. I eat them every day. So yeah, stocked up on that, even though I already have some. Next thing I got is pumpkin rolls. I really wanted to try this. I've never had them before, even though like I always go to Trader Joe's during the fall time because I love their fall items. But I never got these. So yeah, oh my god, they're really bad for you. So I'm just gonna make them on one day, maybe when I have some friends over, so I don't eat the whole thing by myself. And for another treat, I got these gone bananas. I always have like a sweet tooth after dinner, so if I just eat a couple of these, it should like curb my sweet tooth. But funny story is, my boyfriend had these, and I literally ate the whole box in like one sitting because I'm like, oh, it's like chocolate and bananas, but like it has 5 servings per container, and I literally ate 500 calories worth of these in one sitting. Like, it was nothing. So I need portion control when I eat these, so I don't do that again. Next I got pumpkin bread and muffin mix. This stuff is amazing. I buy it every fall. I make them into muffins, and then I buy Cool Whip, and I like cut the muffin in half, and I put a little bit of Cool Whip right in the middle, and it tastes like it just tastes amazing. Then I got some pita chips. These are just pita chips with sea salt for the hummus, which I'm literally going to be eating like a mad person in the next 5 days. I'm so upset. Like literally, you caught me on camera realizing how upset I am that it's expiring in 5 days, but it's fine. Next I got pumpkin spice pumpkin seeds, and I literally opened them already. These are amazing. I'm editing this video now, and I just realized I never filmed a clip describing my workout. So I did end up going to work out. I did upper body. I did a little bit of everything, and I supersetted everything so I can keep my heart rate up. And it took me only about 30 minutes, and my apartment gym is very small. So it's a great workout if you have a limited amount of equipment, or you're in your apartment gym, or you have a small gym at home. So yeah. I'll show you guys that now, and I'm gonna do it like voiceover style because I wasn't really talking. So yeah. Okay, the first exercise I did is lateral raises, supersetted with dumbbell curls. I did 10 of each, and I went straight through. So I only took a rest after the 3 rounds, and I did that for every exercise in this workout. Next I did rear delt flies. Again, I did 10 of these. And then I didn't take a rest in between switching. And the next exercise I did was kettlebell rows, single armed rows. Please don't judge my face. I'm not used to recording myself working out. I've never done this before. So yeah, I mean, I make ugly faces when I work out. I'm pretty sure everyone else does too. Okay, now I'm doing shoulder presses. I did, once again, 10. I did 10 of everything, so I'm not going to keep saying that. But yeah, I did 10 shoulder presses, and then followed that with single arm raises. Both of these exercises target your shoulders, and shoulders genetically are a strong point for me, but I mean, I still work them out. I think having capped shoulders on a girl is a good look. So yeah. Then I did just a bench press, like a laying dumbbell bench press, and then I went straight into skull crushers. I'm not doing the skull crushers very well because I have tennis elbow. I don't know why I have tennis elbow, but I literally play tennis once in my life and I have tennis elbow. But it just makes doing any tricep exercises really hard for me. So if you see me doing them weird, that's why. This is I don't even know what they're called, a lat pull down. I think that's what it's called, a lat pull down. So I did 10 of these, and then after that I did 10 tricep pull downs. So just went straight into that for 3 times. Okay, the next exercise I did single arm lat pull downs. And I switched sides, but you won't see it because I was literally making the worst faces because I was going pretty heavy on these. So I didn't want to show you my disgusting face. So I just cut that, and then I supersetted that with actually an ab exercise, but I didn't show that either. Sorry about that. And lastly, I'm doing these baby push-ups with shoulder taps. I was so sore from F45, so I did these really bad, so don't judge me. And here's a video of me flexing the tool that I am, trying to get a thumbnail for this video. But yeah, that's it for this workout. I promise I'll get better at recording myself, but this was my first time, so bear with me. And yeah, see you guys later. Okay, I just worked out, and for lunch I am having one of my staple meals. It's sweet potato, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. I roast them at 425 for 30 minutes, and I season them with garlic, salt, pepper, and paprika. Then I have about a cup of white rice and 3 ounces of chicken. I usually put half an avocado on it, but I don't have one that's ripe, so no fast for me today, or at least for this meal. And then I just put sriracha all over it. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, I'm about to head out now to go on a nature walk with my friend Savannah. I'm wearing my Ray-Bans, the aviators. I have a Nike sports bra on, and my shorts are the Lululemon Fast and Free biker shorts that I showed in my last video. I had a haul. And then my shoes are just Nike. I'm pretty sure these are just free run trainers, I think. Yeah. And then I'm bringing my little Adidas bag with my water and stuff inside. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'll try to get some clips while I'm there.
People acting. People acting. People acting.
Alright, I'm back from my walk and I just made an acai bowl because I'm not super hungry and I was craving something sweet. So it's just one acai packet with one frozen banana, blended together, and then on top I have strawberries, frozen blueberries, half a banana, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and about a half a serving of this like maple granola cereal from Aldi's, and then 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Did I say that? 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So yeah, that's everything. Yeah, and that's pretty much everything. I'm just gonna maybe start a new Netflix show or something tonight because I finished all of mine. And yeah, watch that till I get sleepy and go to bed. I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow and start studying for my exams. So that's it for this vlog. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.